Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today is the big day. Today is Babe's birthday, so we have to go wish him a happy birthday and obviously open the presents. So let's go see him. Come on, let's go see Dad and open his presents. Here we go guys.
Yep.
Oh gosh, it's a bit dark in here. Just want to say to you babes, happy birthday. And this is yours.
Yep.
It's like some fishing thing happening here.
Yep. You have the prizes. You have the prizes, Dad.
Another birthday, you know?
Yep. Yep.
Excuse guys, it's just early in the morning and I'm going to work shortly, so I just thought, well, we just better do the gift this morning. Excuse, the house is a bit messy.
Word to your pop.
Please go.
Yeah, please. You wrap this up well tight. It's not gonna go inside, eh? Jesus, can I tear this
Yeah,
part?
just tear it. That's, yeah.
Just tape.
Yeah. Hang on, you didn't open this one first.
Oh, it's
You tell the people then what it is without ripping it, obviously.
Yo.
Such a Mr. Tyrants. This certificate entices Tyrants make 6. Oh shit. 6-hour fishing charter? Are you serious?
Yeah.
What? When is this?
Anytime, you just have to,
Really?
yeah. Anytime before December 2024, you can just tell them when you want to go and they'll be there waiting for you. Yeah.
Oh shit. Thank you, babe. This is amazing.
Yeah. So the only thing so guys, I thought of him because I've always said to him I wanted to go on a fishing charter just to get that experience here and also like, you know, out in the ocean. So he'll probably have a day where he can vlog that for all of you guys on his channel. So if you don't know where Babe's channel is, it's Island Boy Africa. Yeah. So go over there and check it out. When he does this tour, he'll obviously vlog all of that. So the only thing you need to bring with you is your esky to catch your fish, and food and drinks for the day.
That is crazy.
Yeah, so if you wanted to go tomorrow, you can go tomorrow.
Oh shit.
So it's up to you when you really want to do the charter.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's what it is.
Oh, I'm sorry I ripped the body.
That's okay.
It was hard to get in.
That's alright. So what did he get? What else did you get there?
Oh, some underpants.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh dear. Some cartoon underpants.
Yeah.
What is?
Yeah, buy that.
What's this one?
Dad,
Sausage sizzle.
Oh,
It says sausage sizzle.
I buy that.
Oh, you want mommy buy?
Yeah.
Thank you, Bobby.
Well,
Welcome.
Island Dad's birthday.
Yeah.
And this one is what?
In like a Paw Patrol.
Yeah, Paw
sorry.
Patrol. Yeah.
Yeah, he's named
This one is
Elvis.
like. What's this one? You
Yeah.
call this one?
In like a
I know, smiley, scary face. Yes, Island. Hang on, Dad's opening his presents.
The sign was bugging me. Oh, I'm sorry.
What was this?
Give me 1 sec. I'll just clean my nose.
Let Daddy do it in that one.
No way! Don't call me
Did you read
Dada.
it? It says lethal.
Oh my god. And some nice marina.
Marina.
Yeah. Summer, I know, so this definitely. It's what I'll be wearing.
Mommy,
Yes, Island. Just hang on a sec,
you're a
darling.
towel.
I love Tyrone. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, nice. Sessions 1984.
I guess that
And it
is
says,
on.
look at my back.
I guess that
Island.
Oh, nice. Giving that tropical vibe. Chase the sun always on the road. Sessions. Mad. It's like a sporty kind of brand, would you say?
I'm not sure.
Oh.
I don't know.
It's nice. Lovely, guys. You see that? Yeah, love it. Thank you, baby.
It's alright. I like the tropical vibes.
Ibiza next.
Ibiza.
Oh, Ibiza next destination. Right. Yeah, I like these vibes. Definitely.
What does it say out there? Bienvenido a España.
Oh, I don't know the first part.
Bienvenido means welcome to Spain.
Oh, okay.
Ibiza.
Nice. Beautiful. I like the vibe it's giving like that, you know? Tropical island vibe. Nice. Yeah, short pants. Yeah, babes know me love my short pants, them, you know? Stretch. Okay, nice. Lovely, baby. Love these. Beautiful. Love it, babe. Thank you very much, babe. I appreciate it.
I'm glad you like them.
Yeah, definitely. You know, I don't get fussy on birthday or anything, but you know, when we get gifts, I really appreciate it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So definitely give thanks. Give thanks a lot. Yeah, man.
No worries, babe. I'm glad you enjoyed them.
Yeah.
You know, now you got some nice pants and things to go out, and
Yeah, and the fishing
I noticed
charter.
that some of your underwears are a little bit getting on the old side, so you know you have to change those every once in a while.
Yeah.
So yeah. So if anything doesn't fit, obviously just give them back and we can get the smaller size. But I think I got the right size for you anyway.
Yeah.
And the fishing charter now.
Yeah, that's this one stands out to me because if you guys know me, I've always wanted to experience the real fishing in Australia, and I just want to catch big fish. Like that's what I want, because before coming to Australia I've been watching all the Australian videos and I'm so excited seeing them catching big fish off the rocks and out in the ocean. So and when I come here I realize I'm only catching some little fish them call brim and all that, and lucky enough me did catch a nice size fish them call it like sweet lip, you know. So definitely this is gonna be top of the notch because I'll be experiencing out there in the ocean on a boat, you know what I mean. So hopefully when I go I catch some nice fish to bring home. Yes, man. So you guys,
Good content for your channel too, isn't it?
yeah, gonna love it.
Yeah,
Definitely.
for real. So yeah, guys, so he's going on a charter boat sometime soon, maybe tomorrow, we'll see.
Yeah.
And yeah, he'll just go with the flow and have enjoyment. So I'm glad you like those presents, Scott, babes.
Love them, babe. Love them.
Anyways, what was I going to say? One more thing. Check back in a little while. I'm going to go to work and then I'm going to come back and have a barbecue, and I also have another surprise coming for babes. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, guys, big up yourselves. Bye. So this, guys, oh, I'm hot and sweaty. This is our corn from our garden, guys. You see this? Look at this. And for those who said babe's got a green thumb, he does. He's being blessed with a good hand. Definitely. Definitely, hey? Gotta wash all that hair stuff out. And that is it. Look at the corns. Look at that. Look how good that looks, guys. Look at that. Pure, fresh. Straight from the garden. Wow. Well, and you just show them what's left in the bucket. We're going to give some away too. Because it's just too many. Ooh, fudge. Just cut myself.
Serious?
Yeah, it's alright. It's only a little one. How many times I cut myself at work? Funny. With the sharp things. Don't even realise. That's alright. And that's going to go to boil. Wait, is it? No. Alright, and this is going back to the compost. See that? So real quickly, I just want to say something. So, for all of you that don't know, my husband is Jamaican. I'm Argentinian. Jamaican jerk chicken, Argentinian. And yeah, you know, we're blending. And really quickly, I wanted to say, so I'm Marwa and his wife. She's Argentinian and he's Kenyan.
Yeah.
So, you know, what are the odds of that? Argentinians be taking YouTube world too. Oh, you got yourself, eh? You got yourself. Come on, for your birthday.
Birthday, Dad.
So guys, look at that. Mira qué rico. Muy rico. Me parece que a mí me gusta más el pollo que la carne porque me gusta Jamaican jerk.
See, see.
And what do you have there in your hand, mister?
Oh, I have some soda, drink.
Gin.
Nothing too.
Gin and soda. Gordon's gin.
Funny thing is that, guys, it's a girly drink. It's very sweet. You know what I mean? I'm not a drinker, so I'm gonna drink something light. You know what I mean? Yes, man. That is that.
So we got Mr. enjoying his beautiful, beautiful barbecue.
Yes.
We got sausages, corn from the garden, you know, thing and thing. Hey, baby.
Very nice.
Happy
man.
birthday!
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Who said I'm watching movies?
Maybe because the song's on. Hold on. So guys, this is Baby's birthday cake. I'm just trying to
I'm moving Bluey, bro.
figure out what those were.
I'm controlling Bluey, bro. Guys, this is so awesome. It's literally like we're in an episode of Bluey with all of you right now, guys. We're gonna go on a Bluey adventure. We're gonna beat this whole game in this video. So right now, we gotta go pick up our toys, guys. This is so awesome.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear babe Tyrone. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Yay! Make her 3 wishes, babes.
Amen. Yes, beautiful. Can I help me, Island?
Yep.
Yeah, blow.
Help Daddy blow. Don't eat that. You're making a mess. Help Daddy blow. Big blow.
But I want this one.
Yeah.
Come.
Go, Dada.
Okay, with that.
Yay!
Yes.
We've been sitting here for a while, so the candles are almost done,
shoot.
as you can see.
Yes.
So that is it.
Yeah, beautiful.
Happy birthday, babe. Wishing you
Thank you,
many more blessings.
Thank you, my love.
And
Beautiful.
yeah.
What kind of cake? Island?
Hang on, Island.
I want to do this and I was. Let me go.
Yeah.
Just cut.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use them sitting here and I'm gonna do cut cake, you know.
Yay! Nah.
Island.
Island, just wait.
Oh, like chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Red velvet.
Nice. I was not expecting that inside. Even nervous to cut.
He like you. We're going out.
No, you can cut it.
She eats like a rabbit. So, babes, once again, happy birthday.
Thank you, baby.
That wasn't like, it's a little peck bite, you know. Give me another one. Give me another kiss. I'm happy, babe, that you're happy.
Yeah, I'm happy,
The
baby.
day's gone good. Yes, Island.
Let me play some Minecraft.
Minecraft. On where? On how?
Right there.
Yeah. So, guys, we are ready for bed now. And we are, yes, hang on, I'm talking something, just give me a sec. We're ready for bed now, guys, so
Yeah.
for another one. Thank you very much for tuning in.
Yeah,
If you're
man.
new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and tell us where you're from. And yeah, that's it.
Island.
And Island's making a mess, and we're all ready for bed now.
Yeah.
It's that time of the night,
Yeah.
guys, so big
Bless
up
up
yourselves,
everyone.
and
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And also thanks for all the birthday wishes on the community posts and all that, you know. Yeah, man, give thanks.
yeah, thank you, guys. Bye.
So we'll come over.
We on the road now.
Let's go now.